Good morning, students. Let us continue with our chapter number 13, Exponents and Powers in Mathematics subject for grade 7th. Now, decimal number system and expressing large numbers in the standard form. Of course, this is a very easy concept and you have already done in your previous grades also. Any decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by a power of 10 is called its standard form. For example, a number is written as 5985, that is 5.985 into 1000, expressing it as in decimal form, that is 5.985 into 10 raised to power 3, that is power of 10, is the standard form of 5985. Note that 5985 can also be expressed as 59.85 into 100, that is 59.85 into 10 to the power 2, or 0.5985 into 10 into 10,000, that is 0.5985 into 10 to the power 4. But keep in mind, all these are not the standard forms of 5985, because again refer to the definition, any decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by a power of 10 is called its standard form. Thus, in standard form, always remember that for a given number, we take one less than the number of digits to the left of its decimal point as the exponent of 10. For example, in 6895.3, there are 4 digits to the left of the decimal point. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there to the left of the decimal point. Hence, the exponent of 10 in the standard form is 4 minus 1, that is in 3. Numbers written in the standard form is much easier to read, understand and compare than when number is written in large number of digits. Now let us begin with our exercise 13.3. Now question number 1. Write the following numbers in expanded form. Here you can see 2,79,404 is given. That is it. First we have to write them in expanded form. That is 2,79,404 can be expanded as 2 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 7 multiplied by 10,000 plus 9 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 0 multiplied by 10 plus 4 multiplied by 1. Now, using power of 10 in the exponential form, we can write 2,79,404 as 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 5 plus 7 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 plus 9 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 plus 4 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 plus 0 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0. Here you can say 10 raised to 0 is equivalent to 1. So, it is compulsory to write as 4 into 10 raised to 0. Similarly, second sum, 30,06,194. It is written as in exponent form as 3 into 10 lakh, 0 into 1 lakh, 0 into 10,000, 6 into 1000, 1 into 100, 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Now using powers of 10 in the exponential form, the number can be written as 3 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 0. Question number 1, sum number 3, 4 and 5. You have to solve in this manner also. It will be your homework. Question number 2. Find the number from each of the following expanded form. Now here expanded form is given. You have to find a number. Here 8 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 6 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 0 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. So, we can write as 8 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. That is 80,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 5. The final number will be 86,045. Question number C. 3 into 10 raised to power 4 plus 7 into 10 raised to power 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to power 0. That is 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 7 multiplied by 100 plus 5 multiplied by 1. That is 30,000 plus 705. The final number will be 30,705. Question number 2, sum number B and D will be your homework. Question number 3, express the following numbers in standard form. Right? So you can see 5 crore has been written. So 5.0 into 10 raised to 7. You can write it as a standard form. Again, you can see this number, that is after writing in decimal point 3.1865 into 10 raised to 9. This you have already learned in your 4th and 5th standard also, and 6th standard also. Right? Again, 5th number 39,087.8, that is 3.90878. You have shifted this decimal point from 4 numbers into 10 raised to 4. Right? Therefore 3.90878 into 10 raised to 4. Again 3908.78. You are shifting this decimal point on left hand side for 3 digits, that is 3.90878 into 10 raised to into 1000, that is 3 zeros are there. Therefore 3.90878 into 10 raised to 3. Question number 3, sum number 2 will be your homework. Question number 4, express the following appearing in the following statements in standard form. The mean distance between the earth and moon is 384 billion meter. That is the distance between earth and moon is you have to write in meter. Then you have to write in decimal form, that is 3.84 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 raised to 8 meter. Similarly, sum number C, diameter of the earth is 12756,000 meter. So again, converting it into decimal form, you can write as 1.2756 into remaining 1000000. So 10 raised to 7 meter. Similarly, sum number E, in a galaxy there are on an average this billion stars. So again you have to convert this number in decimal form, that is 1.0 into 10 raised to 11. The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be this much meter. So converting into decimal form and writing in tens power, it becomes 3.0 into 10 raised to 20 million. The earth has this cubic kilometer of seawater. So writing first in decimal point as 1.353 into 10 raised to 9 cubic kilometer. Similarly, sum number B, D, F, H, J will be your homework. Next chapter we are going to start is perimeter and area in your next lecture. Okay, bye bye for now. Take care. Along with this video, I will be sending you notes for this exercise also. Do write in your maths notebook. Bye bye.